Hello everyone, welcome back to the UltFone channel. If your iPhone 11 is stuck on the Apple logo screen like mine, don't worry, I understand your feelings. Today, I will guide you on how to fix this issue without losing any important data. Let's get started. Understanding the potential causes is the first step. Your iPhone may display the Apple logo due to various reasons. Notably, storage full, notifications should be taken seriously as they may result in data loss. It is crucial to ensure that your device is not overheating before attempting any solutions. Method 1. Fixing through hard reset. The initial method for attempting to resolve issues with your iPhone involves a hard reset, which is the most expedient approach. To execute a hard reset, follow these steps. Press and release the volume up button, followed by the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo is displayed. This procedure can address minor system crash issues, but is ineffectual for problems resulting from full storage or failed updates. If overused, it may give rise to more severe issues if the hard reset does not resolve your Apple logo issue. In such cases, system repair becomes necessary. Method 2. Use iTunes to fix your iPhone. If your iPhone is experiencing issues, you can attempt to resolve them by updating or restoring it via iTunes. Connect your phone to your computer and put the iPhone into recovery mode by holding the side button for a longer time until the recovery screen appears. This process is similar to a forced restart but requires a longer hold. Once in recovery mode, iTunes will detect the issue and offer two options: update or restore. If the update option is selected and fails, your phone may crash, resulting in potential data loss. Therefore, I recommend using UltFone iOS System Repair as a safer and simpler solution to prevent data loss. Method 3. Repair iPhone by UltFone iOS System Repair. This tool offers a system repair solution that addresses over 150 common issues without deleting your data. After installation, connect your iPhone to your computer and enter recovery mode. As in Method 2, press the power button until the recovery screen appears, then click the green Start button to initiate the standard repair process. Then it will assist you in downloading the firmware suitable for your device. Once the download is complete, the tool will begin repairing your iPhone. UltFone iOS System Repair ensures a simple, swift, and secure repair that safeguards your data while restoring your iPhone to optimal functionality. To prevent future issues, it is essential to free up storage space. Keeping at least 10% of storage capacity is crucial for optimal performance and data safety. If your iPhone continues to be unresponsive despite these attempts, it is recommended that you seek professional assistance from Apple support. We hope this video assists you in resolving your iPhone issues, particularly if you are experiencing a stuck Apple logo screen. For any additional questions regarding your iPhone or iPad, feel free to leave a message, and we will be happy to assist you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for our next video.